Welcome to this tutorial on understanding contextual memory in Flowise technology. When interacting with a language model, LLM, such as the one used in Flowise, it doesn't naturally retain past conversations. This can pose a challenge, especially for applications like chatbots, where maintaining a coherent conversation flow is crucial. In this tutorial, we'll explore how memory functions and its importance in facilitating seamless interactions with language models. In this tutorial, we'll cover three main types of memory: buffer memory, buffer window memory, conversation summary memory. Let's break down the process logically. Imagine you're conversing with a chatbot. You initiate the conversation, prompting the model to recall past interactions, store relevant information, and then respond accordingly. Let's start with buffer memory. In a basic chatbot setup, buffer memory stores information up to a limit, typically around 4,000 tokens. However, once this limit is reached, issues arise as it cannot accommodate additional information. This limitation is due to the context capacity of the specific language model, LLM, being used. For example, the Azure OpenAI 3.5 Turbo has a maximum context capacity of 4,000 tokens, though newer versions may have expanded capacities. It's worth noting that other LLMs with greater context capabilities are available. To overcome this limitation, alternative memory strategies are employed. For instance, window memory sets a predetermined maximum window size to retain recent conversational exchanges. Let's say we set a variable, k, to 4. This means the memory retains the 4 most recent exchanges from both sides of the conversation, creating 4 pairs of exchanges. As the conversation progresses, the window memory shifts incrementally, discarding older exchanges while storing new ones. Lastly, conversation summary memory provides a concise summary of the discussion based on the available context. This helps to encapsulate the key points of the conversation in a digestible format. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Let's continue learning together. Let's do a test together.